Still stuck with manual labor on construction sites and material handling? You're working harder, not smarter. Get your hands on the Typhon STOMP V1000. Ideal for landscaping, farming, tree removal, tight spaces, tough weather, and debris cleaning. One machine, multiple jobs. With a compact 980mm width and tight turning radius. Full hydraulic pilot controls give you precision and ease. Built with high-strength materials and advanced hydraulics. Powered by a reliable Kubota D1105 engine 24.4 HP for consistent performance. Lift up to 780 kilograms, dig, drill, level, and clear, all with one machine. The V1000 goes where larger machines simply can't. 33 to 48 liter per minute hydraulic flow and quick swap attachments with lifting height of 2,850 millimeters and unloading distance of 950 millimeters. Travel speed of 4.5 km per hour and hydraulic pressure of 18 MPa. Equipped with premium components and timing load sensing piston pump and load sensing control valve group. Stop wasting time on manual labor. Upgrade to the Typhon STOMP V1000 and get more done faster.